Kencove was proud to attend the Horse World Expo in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. The Horse World Expo is a premier equestrian event held at the Pennsylvania Farm Show Complex, featuring a diverse lineup of activities including educational seminars by top clinicians, demonstrations, exciting competitions, Stallion Avenue, a parade of breeds, and a wide array of hundreds of vendors. At Kencove's booth, our knowledgeable product specialists were joined by our friends from Horse World to help attendees find the perfect fencing solutions, tools, and accessories to meet their unique needs. Stopping by our booth grants you hands-on experience with our products, special offers, and face-to-face advice from our fencing experts. We're just getting started on our schedule of shows for 2025. You can find Kencove at the Idaho Horse Expo in Nampa, Idaho from April 4th to the 6th, and at Equine Affair in Columbus, Ohio from April 10th through the 13th. Follow us on Facebook and social media for future events where you can find us next. We'll see you out there.